HIV often has no symptoms. People can pass it on without even knowing they have it. Left untreated, it will damage your health. The only way to make sure is to get tested. Simply search www.test.hiv. You will need to enter a few basic details, including your date of birth, sexual orientation, ethnicity, and when you were last tested for HIV. Your kit will arrive in a couple of days. It includes everything you need to do the test. Collect a small blood sample and return it using the free post pack supplied. Full instructions on how to take the test are in the kit and online. You will receive your results in a few days via the method you originally chose. If results show that you may have a HIV infection, a sexual health advisor will contact you. They will ask your consent to arrange a follow-up test at your nearest clinic to confirm the results, arrange free treatment if necessary, help you access emotional and practical support. Treatment provides quality of life and prevents you from passing on HIV. Order your free kit today.